In this video, I am going to show you how to turn off text predictions in Outlook. Start by locating the Settings option in Outlook. This is often represented by a gear icon and can be found in the top of the Outlook page. Within the Settings menu, look for and select the Mail option. This section contains various settings related to your email account. In the Mail settings, find and select the Compose and Reply option. This will take you to the settings specifically related to writing and responding to emails. Scroll down to the section labeled Text Predictions. Here, you'll find the suggested word or phrases as I type checkbox. This is the setting that controls the text predictions feature in Outlook. To disable it, simply clear the checkbox. This means you need to uncheck or deselect the box, depending on the interface of the version of Outlook. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.